Today, we are going to learn about our amazing solar system. The Sun is at the center of the solar system. It is a big, hot star that gives us light and heat. Now, let's meet the planets. This is Mercury. It is the closest planet to the Sunday. Its distance from the Sun is about 58 million kilometers. Mercury is small, rocky, and has no moons. This is Venus. Its distance from the Sun is about 108 million kilometers. Venus is the hottest planet because it has a thick atmosphere. It is almost the same size as Earth. This is our home, Earth. Distance from the Sun is about 150 million kilometers. Earth is the only known planet with life. About 70% of Earth is covered with water. This is Mars. Distance from the Sun is about 228 million kilometers. Mars is called the red planet because of its red soil. Scientists believe it may have had water long ago. This is Jupiter. Distance from the Sun is about 778 million kilometers. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. It has many moons and a giant storm called the Great Red Spot. This is Saturn. Distance from the Sun is about 1.43 billion kilometers. Saturn is famous for its beautiful rings. It is a giant gas planet. This is Uranus. Distance from the Sun is about 2.87 billion kilometers. Uranus spins on its side. It looks blue because of a gas called methane. This is Neptune. Distance from the Sun is about 4.5 billion kilometers. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sunday. It is very cold and has very strong winds. These are the 8 planets of our solar system. From the Sun, they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Thanks for learning with us.